Hi everyone, Konstantin here again. I will show you how to install WebDollar miner on Ubuntu 18. So first thing you have to do is to run git clone WebDollar repo. Now change directory to node WebDollar. Now run bash install miner.sh. Every needed package will be automatically installed. Okay, everything finished perfect. Now before running npm run commands, you have to run source your profile. This is mandatory. Okay, now I will also show you how to activate the optimized miner, which will give you almost 9 to 10 points plus to your hashing power. Bash build argon2.sh. Needed dependencies will be automatically installed. Cloning argon2. Building it. Now just select one, mining with your CPU. Yes. How many CPU threads? Because I have a virtual machine, I have to select one. Perfect. Now run npm run commands. Command ran successfully. Your wallet has been created, and now enter 10 to mine in a pool. Hit enter, and now enter a pool link. I will enter the WebDollar developers pool link. Okay, let me see. This is the one. Enter. Now we are connected to the pool and mining has been successfully started. Enjoy.